Top 5 Best Electric Scooter for 300 pounds man. Number 5. Hiboy S2 Electric Scooter. We found that this e-scooter doesn't have much power. But what it lacks in power, it makes up for in agility, battery capacity, and heavy rider support. The scooter has a double braking system for more control and safety in cruise and speed control. The Hiboy S2 also has a regenerative lithium-ion battery that recharges every time you brake or go downhill. The Hiboy electric scooter can be driven manually if you want, or if you run out of battery mid-commute. We clocked it at top speeds of 18.6 miles per hour and a peak mile range of 17. If you need less range and weight limit, Hiboy also has the Hiboy MAX. This has smaller 8.5-inch solid tires, and not too good for people on the heavier side. Pros: impressive load capacity of 265 pounds. Good quality material and portable design. Can be converted to a manual scooter. Companion mobile app. Cons: only 30 days money-back guarantee. Slow customer support. Coming in number 4. UberScoot 1600-watt 48-volt electric scooter. The frame of UberScoot 1600-watt 48-volt electric scooter is ideal for heavier adults weighing up to 265 pounds. It also weighs 117 pounds, making it challenging to move around once the battery dies. Thankfully, it has a short charging time of about 6 hours and a maximum mile range of 12 miles plus. It has a 1600-watt motor. Our team of experts found that the UberScoot has 11-inch air-filled tires and an excellent suspension system that absorbs all the discomfort on the road. While testing the product, we also found a unique economy mode setting that reduced power consumption and saved battery, allowing you to get more value. Pros: ideal for heavier riders. Practical economy mode to conserve battery. Peak output of 1600 watts. 11-inch air-filled tires. Great suspension system. Cons: short range for heavy riders. Noisy motor. Coming in number 3. Segway Ninebot MAX. The Segway Ninebot is a top-notch electric scooter for heavy people. Although not dual motor, this model can carry 220 pounds of load and has a maximum speed of 18.6 miles per hour. The electric scooter has a rear braking system that improves maneuverability and safety. It's also built with easy grip handles and a one-step folding system for comfort. Our experts found an economy feature that extends battery life to up to 40 miles range. If you want extra features, we also discovered an anti-lock braking mechanism and LED display dashboard and Bluetooth connectivity on this electric scooter. Pros: one of the best options for short commutes. Quite affordable for the riding experience. Powerful 551 watt-hour battery. Fast charging. Powered by 350 watt motors. Good value at this budget. Great range for this price. Cons: only supports riders up to 220 pounds. Not equipped with 2 motors. Coming in number 2. EverCross Folding Electric Scooter. The EverCross Folding Electric Scooter has an 800-watt motor and a revolutionary dual braking system. EverCross takes your safety very seriously and outfits the electric scooter with state-of-the-art features such as LED headlights, taillights, an LCD display and fault self-detection. This particular EverCross model makes for a smooth ride with shock-absorbing technology and a cruise control system. The brushless motor allows riders to reach a max speed of 28 miles per hour with a range of 25 miles. The maximum load capacity is 330 pounds, which is one of the most impressive our engineers have seen. Pros: cruise control system. Headlights and taillights. LCD display. Fault self-detection. 28 miles per hour max speed. 25-mile range. 330 pounds max capacity. Brushless motor. Dual braking system. Cons: no seller contact info. Not the best for very wet ground. Coming in number 1. EverCross Electric Scooter. The EverCross electric scooter is one of the most versatile scooters ever built for adults on the heavier side. It can cruise pretty fast at a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour while carrying a max load of 330 pounds. It has a heavy-duty build and weighs 44 pounds, which makes it easy to carry. Our experts also found other great features you might want: LED lights and pneumatic tires. The latter adds to the electric scooter's shock absorption on the road to give you a smooth ride even in rough terrains. The EverCross has a powerful 800-watt motor power output and a maximum range of 25 miles. Pros: excellent for long and short commutes. Can handle riders up to 330 pounds. Can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. LED lights. Pneumatic tires. 800-watt motor power. Cons: heavy to carry around. Large battery, takes a while to charge.